you are like various department or like various team members in your Agile or in your Scrum, being a product manager, technical lead, solution architect, junior developers, and then like Scrum masters and product owners. Um, so each one plays various role in getting that requirement from a business and detailing it out, and all the way to break down and do a thorough analysis and then understand the requirement and then creating a task. Maybe I can take an example. I want to add a new page to my existing app, and being in an enterprise setup, that requirement will go for a planning mode. We'll create an epic if it's like big enough, and then with that epic we will like identify like what are all the features that page should have. So that goes into the feature creation. Feature creation will go into a story creation. A story is like like decomposed items or a task for that feature to be completed in like manageable like sizes. We call it as like a t-shirt sizing, small, medium, large, XL, kind of like story points. Then you take a story and then like engineers take the story and then break down again, task by task. And then each of the individual, like when you're creating and like starting from epic story, epic feature story task, each one the product manager defines what is a requirement, what is the acceptance criteria, what is the assumptions, what is the in scope, what is out of scope. And being test driven development, these days people even take that those like requirement and then create a test cases beforehand, so that when the developer finish developing, then we run with our like test driven development or with the test cases to make sure all of the acceptance criteria is met. Then we'll give a demo, and then it just goes through iteration after iteration. That's a traditional, or that's a current approach the industry follows. That's a proven that works well. When the real people and then the real money gets impacted, like production application, you have to follow all these approaches. But for a vibe coding, these are all not needed, and then you are seeing the potential that way. And people taking that like vibe coding and then applying it in an enterprise setup often fail.